Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer your Bitcoin from Cash App. So all you have to do is head over to your Cash App and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. So in the bottom left of the screen, just look for the icon with the dollar sign and number. So that number represents your current balance, and in this case, we have $1 on our account. And to start, just click on it. So from here, you should be able to see the Bitcoin section. Just click on it. So from here, just enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer. Then once done, just click on send. Then next is just enter the name or the cash tag or the Bitcoin address to which you want to transfer your Bitcoin. Then proceed by clicking on next. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!